Hi, I'm George, the Nuclear Medicine and Pet Product Specialist here at LabLogic. Today we're going to take a look at the POSI-RAM radio HPLC detector. The POSI-RAM is designed for the detection and quantification of low-level PET metabolites. The system includes an electronic box, a detector and a flow cell to suit user requirements. To achieve the highest possible sensitivity, the detector utilizes two BGO crystals mounted on matched photomultiplier tubes with a flow cell in between. BGO is twice as dense as sodium iodide and has more stopping power, therefore making it more applicable for higher energy gammas. A genuine decay event is only measured on the POSI-RAM when each of the photomultiplier tubes detect the event within the coincidence resolving time. The net result is that the POSI-RAM not only provides low background, but also relatively high counting efficiencies. It is the ideal system for low-level positron counting, as seen in PET metabolite applications. With the POSI-RAM, it is possible to deselect coincidence counting and use it for gross gamma counting. This makes it a dual-purpose instrument which can be used for radiochemical purity applications too. The POSI-RAM is controlled by our LoRa4PET radiochromatography software. This ensures that only authorized users who have the appropriate level of access can make changes, with a full audit trail. The benefit of the software is not just compliance, it also provides powerful data analysis features. LoRa4PET can also be a single point of control within your QC department, with the ability to control a range of equipment including market-leading HPLC systems. If you'd like to find out more about the POSI-RAM, please don't hesitate to contact LabLogic. Thanks for watching.